Associate Goliath 5.0 does all the work for you. Automatic video product reviews, video reviews. YouTube review videos are automatically embedded in the posts. Forrester research says that the chances of getting a page 1 listing on Google increase 53 times with video. Google knows video is what folks want. Plus, video has been proven to increase conversion rates on landing pages by up to 80% or more. The video player is fully mobile responsive, so it will look great on all devices. Fully search engine optimized, SEO. All posts are fully search engine optimized for the name of the product automatically. The plugin finds all the related keywords and tags for the product name and adds them to your posts. Most people don't take the time to optimize their content because it takes a lot of time and effort. But your sites will rank on Google much higher than sites of your competitors who don't optimize their sites properly. Product research. Automatic product research. Just type your keyword and click a button. Done. Or don't even use any keywords and let the plugin search within the Amazon categories and subcategories you want on its own. If you want to enter a list of the ASIN numbers of your favorite products, you can do that too. You can also select a price range for the products you want to add. That way, you can avoid adding really cheap products to your site that won't pay you much in commissions. No need to spend hours doing boring product research manually. Unique content text spinning. The plugin now integrates with Spin Rereader, one of the most popular and powerful text spinning services. This means you can enter your Spin Rereader credentials in Associate Goliath, and the description of the product will be rewritten using synonyms and related keywords. A Spin Rereader yearly plan comes out to less than $7 a month. That way, your posts will be more unique. When this happens, search engines like Google give your content a unique content bonus and rank it higher. By the way, you can also edit the content or add extra stuff in the content manually if you want. Automatic post syndication, backlinks, and traffic backlink options. The plugin integrates with OnlyWire, a service that automatically syndicates your posts to social sites like Facebook, Twitter, and 50 other social sites. You can enter your OnlyWire credentials in Associate Goliath $5 a month, Pro plan required, and you will start getting backlinks automatically from all over the internet. The more backlinks you have, the further up the search engine listings you climb. Add to cart button. 90-day cookies for more commissions. You can insert an add to cart button in your posts with one click. If a visitor adds an Amazon product to their cart, the life of the Amazon affiliate cookie gets extended from 24 hours to 90 days. This means that if your visitors buy anything within the next 90 days from Amazon, you will get credit for that. Geo-targeting. Automatic geo-targeting to avoid lost sales. You can enter your Amazon ads for many different Amazon domains. That way, if your visitor comes from the United Kingdom, for example, they will be taken to the Amazon.co.uk domain instead of Amazon.com. Try Associate Goliath 5.0 for 60 days, risk-free, guarantee. There's no risk here. You are covered by our 60-day, 100% satisfaction, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. Take Associate Goliath for a spin around the block. If for whatever reason you feel it's not for you, let us know, and we'll refund your money. Frequently asked questions. Is Associate Goliath really newbie-friendly? Yes. We built this so that our grandparents could use it. Literally all you have to do is click a few buttons and this plugin goes to work for you. What will the site look like? Check out the Associate Goliath demo site. Do I need to use a special WordPress theme? Associate Goliath works with any free or premium WordPress themes. Is Associate Goliath compliant with Amazon rules? Absolutely. We have added many features that customers have requested, but we have made them optional. For example, you have 2 customer review options. Embed reviews as comments. Many customers requested this, so we added it or used the Amazon approved review frame. Or, you can cloak your affiliate links with one click. Again, many customers requested this feature. If you don't want to cloak your links, then you can ignore this feature. The content is fetched by the Amazon API that Amazon provides. And all posts have the proper price disclaimer that Amazon requires. Product prices are also updated every 24 hours. Is Associate Goliath compatible with WordPress multi-site? Yes. Associate Goliath works with WordPress multi-site as well as with multi-site plugins like WP Empire Builder.